Hey everyone! Today we're making a healthy eggless oatmeal mug cake. This recipe is one of my favorites when I want something quick, but still feel good about eating it. It's soft, naturally sweetened, and made with simple ingredients you probably already have. We're using oat flour as the base, mashed banana for that natural sweetness and softness, and a little maple syrup to bring everything together. Let's make it together. Start by adding your dry ingredients right into a mug. Oat flour, baking powder, cinnamon, and just a tiny pinch of salt. Give it a quick mix to blend all the dry ingredients together. This helps the baking powder spread evenly so your cake rises perfectly. Now pour in the wet ingredients: maple syrup, milk, a little oil, vanilla, and that mashed banana. You can swap milk with almond or oat milk, use honey instead of maple syrup, and even replace oil with melted butter or coconut oil. Use what you have, it still turns out soft and delicious. Give it a gentle mix until smooth. Don't overmix here. Just enough to combine everything nicely. Now this is where it gets really good. Add in your favorites, maybe some chopped nuts, a few dates, or even some dark chocolate chips. Pop it into the microwave for about a minute, maybe a little more depending on your microwave. And while that's cooking, let's make a super simple peanut butter cream. Just peanut butter, a splash of milk, and a little honey. Mix until it turns smooth and silky. Your mug cake is ready. Let it rest for a minute. This step makes a huge difference in texture. Spread that creamy peanut butter frosting right on top, and finish with a little shredded coconut for that final touch. This is so good, you genuinely won't believe it's healthy. Perfect for a quick breakfast, late night craving, or when you just want something comforting in minutes. Save this recipe so you don't forget it, and follow for more easy mug cakes like this. And again, where are you watching from? I'm replying to everyone today. Full recipe is in the caption, go try it.